This is a 24-inch claw clip-in ponytail hair extension. I was sent a review from Richo. I have never used something like this before, so we're gonna go over what it looks like, how easy it is to figure out how to use it, and how it looks. So let's go. This is instructions for a variety of products that they make. So this one specifically is for the claw clip-in. It's gorgeous. They have a ton of hair colors to choose from. It smells really nice too. There's the claw. It's huge. The clip here is covered in hair, so you won't see that. But it is a bit messy. It is absolutely gorgeous. Love those curls. It does have hair care instructions here. So it says lay it out, apply a hair nourishing oil, brush it carefully, and then twist it to get the shape. It feels like real hair. It doesn't feel fake. I love the colors here. This is the chocolate brown with highlights. I thought it might match my hair the best. But yeah, really gorgeous with those curls and everything and the colors. We're gonna start by getting my hair in a high pony, like so. I'm gonna bobby pin this hair up here. First try. Oh. Here we go. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh my gosh. What? I have long hair. Oh my gosh. I feel like Ariana Grande or something. Wow. That is so fun. Oh my gosh. What? Woo. Woo. That claw is really strong. You get used to the weight. It is holding on. It is gorgeous. Just get a color that matches your hair. So easy to use. Literally first try, guys. First try. First try. Got it on. Staying on. This is so fun. I love this, and I know you will too.